These all feel rough. Are these not soft style?
Some are, some are not.
Oh, okay. You should have gotten soft style.
I did. I got soft style, I got regular Gildans, I got all different types.
Okay. So I get Chiquito for baby Leo. This big old boy, he might not even fit in this.
That's at 18 to 24.
He is thickums. You want a baby?
No, I do not. So don't even play like that.
Okay, so I need you to tell me what we're doing.
The mental health matters.
I know. What is color shirt? What size shirt?
White shirt, extra large. It's right here.
Huh. So what is this?
What do you mean, what is this?
What is all this?
This is all of the stuff that you told me to buy. You told me to get extra stuff.
Oh, because we have more shirts.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to go get my prescription.
Oh, you didn't get your prescription yet?
No, they sent it to Walgreens. I just got to pick it up.
Oh, okay, that's good.
All right. So we're just doing how to make a shirt.
Yeah, we're just doing, just another how to make a quick,
What's that?
Yeah, nothing special. Just a quick little video. I do all the videos in between. I'll touch on how I took the, I'm gonna touch on the wholesale and touch on the price. We can show the receipt and stuff like that too, and how much it costs. And I got all these shirts right here for, $49 from the wholesaler, and, just the transparency.
How do I look?
You look really good.
Do I look like I've had COVID for 2 weeks?
No, but you could talk about that.
Like I've been in a
Let
dungeon?
people, yeah, they haven't seen you. That's right.
Okay, you ready?
And I've been ready. I've been recording this whole time. So the chop, it's gonna do the chop anyway.
That's how it's gonna be.
No, it doesn't. My videos are never like that, so don't try to play with me. My videos have never been like that.
Okay, so I didn't even do an intro. We're just gonna get straight into it.
No, do it. I mean, I don't really have to do intros. I just kind of just cut right into the video.
Is it gonna chop that?
No, it's definitely gonna keep that.
Hey guys, welcome back to Straight Outta Content's channel. I missed you guys. I am back. I am alive. I am healthy. As you guys know, I did have COVID, me and my son, for the past 2 weeks. It's been a good 2 weeks. We've been in solitude, taking medicines after naps. It's been rough. So today is actually the first day that I did not wake up with a headache. The first day I felt good. I feel like I'm getting back healthy. So thank you guys for all the positive words, positive wishes, all the prayers. It's really, really been good. I've been, watching everything. My carpal tunnel hurts from holding my phone so much. That's all I feel like I've been doing. So I've been seeing everything. So today is, my husband's putting me to work. So we're gonna go ahead. Mr. Woods, shout out to Mr. Woods. He's always on our lives. He's always very active on all our social medias. We appreciate you. He has ordered yet another shirt. The other video we did his mental health, Crush Mental Health. So today he's doing a Mental Health Matters. So it's really important just to bring awareness to mental health and everybody around you. Everyone just take care of yourself, and every day just do something that makes you happy and eases your soul. If it's, buying a Twix, buying a Pepsi, getting your nails done.
Yeah, I was like, why are you just doing me? Why are you just talking
you're in front of me.
Twix and Pepsis?
I'm just saying that genuinely makes you happy, and just do things for yourself to make it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. We're gonna go ahead and press up Mr. D Woods today. Shirt, and he actually ordered more merch. Yes. He ordered some scary ones. So those some kukoy shirts. So those actually we will press those tomorrow. Should we send them all out together or just straggling?
No, I'm gonna send this one with this batch of stuff that's going out.
So we'll send this one out, and then scary Halloween vibes, we'll scan those. First thing we want to do, as you all know, 22 by 24 sheets for $19.99. I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. My husband has not taken down the Labor Day sale.
Oh, well, by the time this video comes out, it's gonna be gone.
Leave it up until tomorrow because because you didn't take it down. So
but I'm busy.
And on my IG, I put a post and I was like, hurry up because before Straight Outta Content takes it down. I was like, y'all better hurry up.
That's funny.
It's still up there. So
this was a full sheet, guys, by the way. Don't try to play us. This section right here was the Crush Mental Health, and this one went to Mr. Woods.
So now he wants this one.
Just talk about how big these images are. They're pretty big, right?
Yeah, so what are these? I think you measured them
10, right? I measured them in the video.
Look how big that is.
So go check out
These are like 10 by 10.
Shelly's gonna press this one on Flash Custom Transfers channel. So this is gonna be a separate video only dedicated to that channel. So this will not be on Straight Outta Content channel. You're gonna have to check out Chelly pressing this one on Flash Custom Transfers.
Yes. So whenever people ask, what is a good dimension for an adult size shirt? I usually tell them about 10 width. 10 width will get you small through extra large.
Yeah.
Decent, full face, full front. If once you get 2X, 3X, you definitely want to go larger, but this is a good standard size. So this is a 10. I believe this is a good standard size, 10. So just to kind of give you an idea.
Yeah, and this is really kind of big for her. But he ordered an extra large shirt. So if this was gonna go on probably like a small and medium, I would probably scale it down a little bit. Yeah, and but for the large and extra large,
big
it's
Straight Outta Content.
Yeah. I made basically all of these for me and her.
Yeah.
And Chelly, because Chelly wears her shirts kind of big.
Yeah, I like mine. I wanted this. This is gonna be super cute. Okay, so we'll do that on my channel.
So whenever you get your transfer, first thing you're gonna do, it's very easy, no weeding. Usually before.
Oh yeah, no weeding. All you do is cut and press.
Yes.
So we print, you cut and press.
But usually before, I would have to get a big piece of vinyl, take the vinyl, go ahead, you can cut it, put it in the Cricut machine, then go onto the computer and do all the software thing or whatever, and then it would sit and cut, and then have to bring it over here, then weed it out. Now, I just print. I just designed it so it prints just like the old school vinyl ones. And don't forget, do not leave this label.
File name.
File name, cut that file name out.
Cut your file name off.
But so you guys can see, while Chelly's over there doing that, I'm gonna show you guys right here. Remember, go check out my video on the channel now. I got 2 videos telling you how much we make per shirt, and like the lowest you can make per shirt, and then also how to flip the transfers and make money. But this, look guys, we're being transparent. A lot of other people, they don't tell you where they get their where they get their wholesale blanks from. Hush. They don't tell you where they get their wholesale apparel from. I'm showing you guys, Aviva Wholesale. They are the best. This right here is the receipt. This is the items right there, guys. Transparency, $49. $49, and I got 10, 11, 12 items. 12 items for 50 bucks, all different types of shirts and stuff like that. One, so that we have inventory on hand because we are having to keep going back and forth. So now we bought some inventory, plus we always want to wear our merch in the videos. So we are gonna be printing shirts for us and shirts for you guys out there every time you guys buy merch. This way we don't have to keep running back and forth. So definitely go check out Aviva. They have great sales. I mean, look at some of these prices. Let's see, we got
Let them know that the Gildan Soft Style is very comparable to Bella Canvas.
Yeah, I don't even buy Bella. I just buy the Gildan Soft Style, which is, the Gildan Soft Style is $375. And then the regular Gildans are $269, guys. Remember, in the last video, this shirt right here cost me $4 something. So your profit margins go up if you are able to go to like a place like Aviva or a wholesale place, whatever they have in your city and your state. If you're able to go to wholesale, $269 for a shirt is crazy. For this exact same shirt, $269, and then it's only $375. So even the Bella Soft Style is cheaper than this one was at Michael's.
Bella Soft Style?
I mean, the Gildan Soft Style.
Was cheaper at Michael's?
No, it was cheaper there. It was $375 there.
Sure.
I had to buy 2, and it was still $4 something a shirt.
Oh yeah, because it's convenient, remember?
Yep, and don't forget guys, you guys can flip the merch as well. And I will do a video on that later where I take all this, all of this blank apparel and I show you guys how to sell it. Because remember, we used to be
custom apparel business.
No.
Oh.
We used to be FCD, vinyl and apparel. We used to sell blank apparel. So we have all the markups on what you can
got
charge.
A lot of different.
She always trying to be inappropriate.
Okay, so this one real quick. If your transfer comes with chicken grease, do you think maybe someone has chicken grease spilt it? Someone thought Sprite was spilt on this. This transfer is a victim of humidity.
Yeah, it's not chicken grease.
No.
Right? You don't say that because
I want people to know this is, if your transfers come like this, it's because it's been exposed to the humidity, and that's why we put the silicone packets in it to get all of that, to absorb all of that excess, what is it?
Moisture.
Moisture.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is don't be alarmed if it does come a little. All you got to do, you can just wipe it off, but it's not anything foreign. So
Yeah.
Just
Well, that's a good word. It's not anything foreign. Okay.
Yeah.
You trying to use foreign?
Well, you know, I've had time in my dungeon to think of new words to use.
Oh, wow. And you've been reading.
I have. I read a really good book. It was full of drama. I'm used to reading like self-help books, but I read like this drama book about this girl. No, I'm not going to.
Yeah, that's for your channel. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's really good. So I've been keeping busy. Is it straight?
You tell me. I'm letting you make it. Mr. Woods, if it's messed up, it's on her. Because all the ones I sent you are...
trying to do me.
All the ones I sent are messed up. I don't know what I'm doing. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it.
All right, go ahead. Press it.
All right, because I'm strong.
My wrist. You want me to watch it?
You can if you want.
All right, come on. Oops,
Ow.
excuse me. Oh, this is so dusty.
Mm-hmm. That's because we don't use it.
We literally
Peep the shorts. Y'all
I'm
remember
not.
when I made these?
I'm not.
Y'all remember? Come on, get my shorts. Y'all remember when I made these?
Get it. Do the stanky leg.
Y'all
Do
remember
the
when I made
stanky
these?
leg.
Get 'em.
Come on, just sugar to me.
But make sure y'all go check out that video when I made these shorts. You know what I mean? This is my get up outfit, right? This is what when I wake up in the morning, I'll pop out the bed like this. I go ahead and brush my teeth. Chelly didn't even brush her teeth yet.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Why are you trying to blame me like I didn't brush my teeth?
No, you didn't. Where?
Yeah, and you need to bring your toothbrush back upstairs.
Why do I need to bring my toothbrush back upstairs?
Because Carl has been living downstairs for 2 weeks. Me and Donovan have
Whose
been
fault is that?
upstairs. No, what I'm saying is game over. Come on
That's
back
your
upstairs. This morning I was brushing my teeth. I said,
Stop getting me sick.
He ain't brushing his teeth downstairs
Y'all keep
no
trying to
more.
get the whole house
I'm
sick.
trying to move him back into the room. Bring him
Y'all
back.
should see what they did to me last year. Yeah.
Didn't you reboast it?
No, I didn't. Because you
Good.
told me not to.
Good.
Fan it off. You need to cool it. Pay attention. Don't be like us, because we out here being extra silly.
Please.
It's because we're happy. We got good mental health again.
And yeah, for real. And physical health, not
And
just
physical
mental health.
Exactly.
It's been a rough 2 weeks, guys.
And
It's
do
been.
the Chelly tap.
Tap
the
it.
Chelly tap isn't necessarily always required, but it's required.
You're so happy with me here. Be careful.
Yeah, you're my best friend. You're my best friend.
Go ahead. So if you notice, if you see right here, it's not all the way pressed down. So that's why it's very important to do that second press to solidify the transfer and the colors as well.
Ooh, that might be my thumbnail. Oh yeah, are you taking pictures of me? Doing my thing like this?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Where I do my thing like this.
Well, I got it from here.
Shall I put it on?
Oh, let me do it.
Yeah, give one like this. My finger in the way.
I like your fingers.
Need some more. Oh my God, y'all! Imagine if I wore this mental health with the straight out of content outfit. Ooh.
We can make you one.
Ooh.
All right, so always remember that second press, 6 seconds to seal the deal. Oh, yeah. So now take a look. Nice and flat. Everything nice and flat.
You can pull it off.
It's burning like that rice.
That rice?
Yeah.
Come on, man. This would be a fly outfit.
Okay, well, oh, yeah, you and Mr. D Woods could be matching out here. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Go. Uh-oh, do the stinky leg. Okay, don't be dancing with his shirt that much.
Anyway, guys, so that's it. It's going to be it for this video.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's actually nice. I think I'm gonna make me one too.
Right? Come on. Come on.
Mental
Come
health
on.
matter. It really does. You know
He
what?
said I could stretch it, but Mr. Woods,
Do
I ain't
not.
gonna stretch your shirt.
Do
but
not.
I'm just letting you know. He said you can stretch it.
Oh,
you can
he
stretch it.
did say that,
'Cause
yeah.
Listen, you know this is hot stretch ready right off the press. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna package this up. I got some things to drop off. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming. So don't forget to go over to Chelly's channel to watch her press her mental health Halloween shirt. And then I'm gonna definitely do a video with all this blank merch.
Yeah.
Definitely do a video with all this blank merch. So.
Thanks again, Mr. D Woods. We appreciate you.
We appreciate you. Oh, he's got another shirt coming too.
Yes.
Guys, like an idiot, I didn't put none of the Halloween shirts in black. So the Halloween shirts on the channel will also be offered in black. Same thing with these. These will also be offered in Blizzard. That's it, guys.